Have you ever wondered if there's a simple kitchen ingredient that could hold the key to transforming your health in miraculous ways? What if this humble spice, often overlooked, could unleash a wealth of wonders beyond adding color and flavor to your dishes? It's turmeric. The vibrant and often overlooked spice holds within it a treasure trove of health wonders that can transform your well-being in astonishing ways. As we journey into the golden world of turmeric, we unveil its potent powers that go beyond adding color and flavor to your dishes. From boosting brain health to guarding your heart, this super spice emerges as a true superhero for your health and well-being. So let's get started. Benefit number 1. Boosting brain health. Turmeric's hidden magic may counteract Alzheimer's disease, that relentless intruder stealing memories and cognitive function. Human studies reveal that consuming turmeric's active ingredient, curcumin, may enhance memory and overall cognitive functionality, offering hope in the fight against this debilitating disease. Benefit number 2. Guarding the heart. Amidst the global battle against heart disease, turmeric emerges as a shield for your precious heart. Studies suggest that turmeric can help keep your heartbeat steady and act as a natural blood thinner, reducing the risk of blood clots and strokes. Benefit number 3. Aiding in cancer prevention. Across countries where turmeric is a dietary staple, cancer rates seem lower. Extensive research indicates that turmeric, particularly curcumin, exhibits anti-cancer properties, potentially inhibiting the development of various cancers. Benefit number 4. Alleviating depression. In the fight against depression, turmeric steps forward as a potential ally. With its ability to combat inflammation, curcumin offers promising prospects in supporting mental health. Benefit number 5. Easing arthritis discomfort. For those burdened with arthritis, turmeric's anti-inflammatory powers bring much-needed relief. Studies show that turmeric supplements can effectively reduce arthritis symptoms, rivaling over-the-counter pain relievers. Benefit number 6. Reducing diabetes risk. Turmeric's star compound, curcumin, shines bright in its fight against type 2 diabetes. By targeting factors leading to insulin resistance and elevated blood sugar levels, turmeric proves to be a potent ally in diabetes prevention. Benefit number 7. Regulating cholesterol. Unlocking another secret, turmeric helps manage cholesterol levels, bolstering the hero, HDL, and taming the villain, LDL. Turmeric supplements demonstrate impressive cholesterol balancing benefits. Benefit number 8. Enhancing digestive health. The magic of turmeric extends to your gut. It aids digestion, reduces bloating, and supports a healthy gut microbiome, promoting overall digestive wellness. Benefit number 9. Boosting immune function. Turmeric's natural immune-boosting properties may help fortify your body's defense against infections and illnesses, making it an excellent addition to your daily routine. Before we reveal the 10th benefit, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more deep dives into wellness and the magic of turmeric. Benefit number 10. Supporting skin health. This golden spice is not just for the kitchen, but for your beauty regimen too. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may promote radiant skin and help manage skin conditions. As we uncover the myriad benefits of turmeric, it's essential to remember that moderation is key. Before embarking on a turmeric-infused journey, consult your healthcare provider for personalized guidance. So, why not add a dash of turmeric to your life and unlock the golden secret to a healthier, happier you? Embrace the magic of turmeric and savor the spice that nature has bestowed upon us. Now, we want to hear from you. Are you excited to know about these secret benefits of this golden spice? If yes, then give them a try. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Together, let's unlock the secrets to vibrant living and pave the way to a healthier, happier future for all. Subscribe to the Holistic Health Network and hit that bell icon, ensuring you never miss our captivating, enlightening, and up-to-the-minute research-based videos. Wishing you a healthy and happy life. Important note for all our viewers. Please note that the content presented in this video is purely for educational use and should not be considered a replacement for expert medical guidance. It is essential to seek advice from a certified healthcare professional before making any substantial alterations to your diet or lifestyle. Thank you.